Yo, what's up guys? It's Markyfbaby, and today I'm gonna teach you how to fold a sweater. Alright, cool. We've got our sweater. Let's take a moment to admire it. Yes, amazing. Awesome. Super cool. Now let's go flip over our sweater. Very cool. We have our sweater, the back facing towards us. Awesome, right? Alright, let's get this started. Let's start with the left. Yes. Flap one done. Get the sleeve. Fold it nicely along that flap. Yeah? You feel me? Look at how beautiful that looks. Look at that. That's about an inch away from the collar. We're gonna go with the right side now. Oh my God, that's so beautiful. Look at that. Look how equal that looks. All we have to do is, yes. Yes, oh my gosh. And then we're gonna put our hand like this. We're gonna make an invisible line. Why? Because that invisible line turns into a crease. And, oh my gosh, last part. Yeah. Very cool. You're an expert now.